In this video, I'll show you how to remove watermark in Canva. How to remove watermark from an image using Canva. One thing you should remember first that you need to have a Canva Pro account if you want to remove watermark from an image because this is a pro feature. This is not available for a free user. As my account is a pro account, I can use this feature. So first, I want to remove this watermark from this image, and there is another image I also want to remove this watermark from this image. So first, upload your image in Canva, and then just click on the image here and click the edit button, and you will see in Magic Studio there are a couple of options available. Just find the magic eraser button and click here, and now you need to select a brush icon and its size. So how much size you need to remove your whole watermark. So I need to increase more of my bubble size. So this is my brush size. I need to increase it more. I think it's okay now. I can increase it more a little. Okay. So now you have two options available. First, we just try to mark the watermark here. Also, we can also test the beta version to auto detect. So first we want to test it with auto detect. So click here, and now mark the watermark options. Not multiple time, try to mark it just one time. So it's done, and now it will just mark the portion of the watermark here, and now we can click the erase button to see how it is now. So it has removed the watermark, but I think it's not perfect. We can try it in another way, just without auto detect. So click here, and I am taking it in the previous version. Now again, click the image, click the edit button, and click here. In this case, we will not activate the auto detect. We just first create our brush size. Okay, I think it's perfect. So now just mark it. I think it's fine. Now click the erase button to remove watermark. So it's done. So it's very simple. We can also now click here. So it's now without the watermark. We can also try it. So click here again, click the edit button, and now click the magic eraser. Now I think this brush icon is perfect for this watermark. Done. Now click erase button to remove the watermark. So this is pretty simple. Now you can just use this. Click here, and it is now without watermark. So this way you can remove watermark from any of the image. In case you want to remove watermark from an image using Canva. If you are a Canva free user, then you need to keep in mind few things. When you design anything in Canva, let's say I want to create a social media post. Let's say I want to create an Instagram post, and this is my canvas, and I want to add a template here. So this is all of the Canva templates related to Instagram post. So When you click here, you will see a lot of templates available, but some of the templates has crown icon. You see crown icon, but some of the templates is without. You see, this template doesn't have crown icon. If you are a Canva free user, you always need to select any template that doesn't have crown icon, because all of the templates elements which has crown icon is available only for the Canva Pro user. So skip crown icon related templates or elements. Let's say I want to use this. So click here, and this is my design, and I can use this design, modify it and download it. But when I try to add any design with premium template with crown icon, then it will show that I need to upgrade my account as a pro account if I want to use this template. So this is for Canva Pro user. I can't use it as a Canva free user. So this is first thing you keep in mind. And now if I use any elements in my design, let's say I want to add some image, cute baby girl. So you will also see elements which has crown icon. You can use it, but when you want to download your design, it will show the watermark, because all of the elements which has crown icon is available for only Canva Pro user. But if you still need this design, you need to pay them. Let's say I want to download this. If you still need to use this type of design, you need to pay them for particular element. Let's click here, remove watermark. It is showing you that unlock our entire content library of over 100 million elements. Try it for free 30 days. So you need to either activate Canva's trial account as for 30 days free, or you need to direct activate their premium account. Let's say I want to add a photo, but if it is with crown icon, it will be automatically watermarked, because you need to activate their pro membership. But if I add anything which doesn't have the crown icon, let's say this image doesn't have a crown icon, you can use it completely free without any types of restriction. But if I add this image in my design, it is automatically watermarked, because this is a pro element. If I want to click here, and it is notifying that I need to activate either a Canva trial account for 30 days for free, or I need to activate my Canva Pro plan. If you want to activate a 30 days Pro plan, just click here for free. And now, if you didn't activate any trial, then it will be available for you. But if you ever tried or activated Canva trial account in your free account, this is not available for you. You need to activate their pro account. So you can't remove watermark in this case. I can't even download it. So all of the things where you will get the crown icon is locked for you if you are a Canva free user. While you activate your Canva Pro account, all of the crown options will be unlocked for you, and you will be free for use anything which has crown mark. I think you get it why you can't remove the watermark from your design in Canva. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you feel this video helps you, please subscribe my channel. If you have any question, please throw a comment below. I'll read and reply your comment.